Put down thy vote!
Hi everyone, and welcome to Canadian Redneck Channel. My name's Dave, and today I guess we're ready for stage 2 of our bathroom project, which will be our second wall over here. And we've kind of determined the dimensions of our room, used a very scientific process. We bought our vanity and toilet, and we kind of set them up here on the floor and measured out and decided, yeah, that'll be big enough. And so we're ready to go with wall number 2, and got things measured out, laid out on the floor and the wall where things need to go. So we'll get some 2x4s cut and start framing up the wall. It's been about a week since I've actually been able to do anything with the wall here. Weather issues, work issues, being busy and stuff. So anyway, it's been about a week. I'm back at it. Unfortunately, the boys are back to school, so they're not able to help me. We'll get back to it here and get this wall finished up so we can move on to the next step. So we've got our second wall in place. That's end of part 2, I guess. Hope you are enjoying hanging out and seeing what I'm doing. Next step will be getting into some of the plumbing stuff. Got a new toilet there to put together and stuff. And so hope you hang around and watch the project progress. As always, thanks everybody for watching. Like, subscribe, share, leave any comments or suggestions in the comment section below, and have a great day.